There's been a lot of discussion already about the Palu earthquake and tsunami recently in Indonesia. One thing that's very clear is this is not a very straightforward event. It's obviously complicated. It may be complicated by offshore landslides above the ocean surface that may also generate tsunamis. There were multiple earthquakes, multiple sections of the fault, and we really don't have a very good handle on that. And we have a historical seismic record that indicates past earthquakes and tsunamis. But the tsunami warning requires a model that is fairly simplistic and straightforward for computational needs. And this earthquake is well beyond the bounds of that.